If you were looking for a reliable way to make money online, but you're tired because nothing seems to work or everything is difficult, you've probably tried drop shipping. It's difficult. It requires money. You've tried affiliate marketing. It's difficult because you're going to need to create a website with SEO. You're going to need to run some ads. You created some other stuff, but nothing seems to work. You tried social media management, etc., but nothing seems to work, or it's difficult. Now I came up with the great idea that happens only one time per 4 years. And the idea of today is about the Football World Cup that is coming in 2026 in just a few months. And in top of that, because in that time or in few weeks during the World Cup, billions of people around the world gonna search on Google for football news, football scores, everything about players, football stats, etc. And you're gonna need, or you're gonna probably make a lot of money of that if you know how to do it right, and if you start today. The first thing to do here to make money out of the Football World Cup is to buy a great domain name, something related to the World Cup. And the domain name shouldn't include any date, because the upcoming World Cup is in 2026, but the next one is in 2030. So you can buy a domain name, make money of this World Cup, and make money for or from the next World Cup in 2030. So when you buy a domain name, World Cup or something.com, and you can also buy, for example, worldcupfoot.com. It costs about $5,000, but this is a great investment in long term, because I'm sure this domain name gonna increase in price in just few months or probably in few weeks. So once you buy a suitable domain name, you're going to create a website. You can use some tools. You can create it on WordPress. There are some plugins there to fetch news, data, etc. And you can start today. Probably you're going to work for January, February, March, etc. Create articles about football players, famous one like Cristiano Ronaldo, Messi, etc. All the famous players that you're going to find. Try to make articles about them, and you're gonna have the traffic. Once you create articles about them, you're gonna have the traffic. You can monetize from Google AdSense, from affiliates, from brand sponsorship, etc. And once the World Cup is on the door, you can look for plugins or for some AI tools to fetch the news automatically, because people want to watch live matches. They're gonna try to get idea about the scores, about the stats, and about etc. So this is a great opportunity for you guys, and me too. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna hire someone to do it, because I don't have the time for that. Because I manage my staff there, my Shopify agency, and for my SEO clients, etc. I'm gonna hire someone to do that, and this is an investment for the next summer. So yeah, if you're looking for a great way to make money online, this is an opportunity, because this is happening only one time per 4 years, and you can make a lot of money about that. If you don't have the budget, you can buy a domain name, suitable domain name, and you can use SEO in order to increase the traffic to your website. I'm gonna leave the playlist for my free SEO course that from time to time I'm gonna upload an episode. You don't need to have any budget, anything, just follow the course. It's free on YouTube, and it contains a lot of great information to rank your website on first page of Google. The best thing is that you're gonna need to start today to gain more backlinks and to make a lot of articles, because once the World Cup is there, you can make, in my proposition, you can make millions of dollars if you know how to do it right. Yeah, so this was all for today, and this is a great opportunity. Start now, guys.